Hello students, in class 11th we are going to study about number system. Number system, why number system in this topic or syllabus? So we are studying about computer system, computer science, and computer works on different types of data, different types of characters, numbers, pictures, audio, video. So for each of the data, computer uses different types of switches, gates, memories, registers, and in each type of device to store data it uses only two things, that is on off status. On status is represented by 1 and 0 status is represented by off, or off status is represented by 0, vice versa. So sometime it is also read as true and false. True means 1 and false means 0. So computer works on this particular concept. For this concept we need to know what is this 0, 1 and how computer stores different types of data in the form of 0 and 1. So number system is here. Let us see number system. We will study about basically 3 number system. You can say 4 number system. Out of this 4, we know that this number system we already know, that is called decimal number system. This decimal number system we already know. What is decimal number system? So decimal number system is we are reading about this decimal number system from nursery classes, from primary classes. What is this decimal number system? So decimal number system have 10 symbols. We can say symbols. In mathematics we can say digits, that is starting from 0 and going up to 9. These digits only gives different types of numbers. You can say digits, when one or more digits combines, then it makes a number. Okay. So number means it will have one or more digits and each digit will have some position. So we are using this decimal number system in our daily life. We are writing 100, 500, 645. So these are only in the form of decimal number system. Why it is called decimal number system? Because it has 10 different symbols. It has 10 different symbols that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and similarly you can see binary number system. Binary will have how many digits? Binary will have how many digits? 2 digits. Octal number system, it will have 8 digits. All the number system starts from 0 and it goes up to its maximum digit. So so we will see what is next. So we are going to start this decimal number system that I already told you. We know decimal number system from nursery classes, primary classes. It has how many digit? How many digit? It has 10 symbols, that is called 10 digits. What is that digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, each digit has its value. Now you can see here 2945, and if we change 9 and 4 its place we are replacing, then it is digits are same, digits are same, but the value of number is different. That first is 2945 and second one is 2495. So it is giving different meaning. So digits are same, but if we change the position of the digits, then it gives different values. Okay, and that's why this number system is called positional number system. Positional number system. Now how we get this 2945 here? So you can just see here, if we start writing index of this number, so this one will have 0 index, this one will have 1 index, this one will have 2 index, this one will have 3 index. Okay, so here you can see this first digit 2 is being multiplied by 10 to the power 3. 3 is what? The index of this 2. Above 2 you can see here I have written 3. So 2 into this 2 into 10. Why 10? Because it is written in decimal number system. Decimal number system has 10 digits, so 10. And why 3? So 3 is the index number of this 2. So 2 into 10 to the power 3 again 9, second digit 9, 9 is here, into decimal number system. So 10 power 2 means index number of 9, index number of 9 is 2, so 10 to the power 2. Similarly 4, third digit 4 into 10 to the power 1, index of 4 is 1, plus 5, last digit 5, 5 into 10 to the power 0. Why 0? Because index of 5 is 0. So now if you compute this one, then it will become, this is 2 into 1000, that is 2000, plus 9 into 100, 900, plus 4 into 10, 40, plus 5 into 1. 10 to the power 0 becomes what? 1. So 5 into 1 equal to 5. If we add this one, then you will get this one, what? This 2945. So this is the number system. What we have to do? We have to start index from the right hand side and go to the left hand side. So like you read ones, tens, hundred. Ones means 0 index, tens means first index, 100 means third index, second index, 1000 means fourth index. Like this you have to move forward, then you can easily understand this one. Similarly next is binary number system. So in first definition I told different types of number system. Out of that, one number system is binary number system, and it has two symbols. Two symbols means two digits only. All the big number or a small number will be represented by these two digits, 0 and 1 only. So it is not matter how big number we are going to write, any number can be written using these two digits only, that is 0 and 1. कोई भी बड़ा से बड़ा नंबर आप इसी दो डिजिट से लिख सकते हैं. Here you can see 1010. This number is having only 0 and 1. You can easily identify that which number system it is. So you are getting here only 1010. So not other than 0 and 1 symbol. So easily you can see that this number system is written in binary number system. Okay, and in previous slide I told how to calculate the value of this number system. So like that you can give index and calculate the value. 0 represents false and 1 represents true. So next we will go to first we are going to see decimal binary equivalent. Means if you write 0 in decimal number system, then what will be the binary of this number system? That is 0. 1 means binary is also 1. 2, so 2, this 2 symbol is not present in binary number system. Binary number system only uses 1 and 0. So here you can see only 1 and 0, nothing else. So how 2 will be written in binary? So 1 0 will be written in binary that is equivalent of 2 in decimal number system. Here you can see 16, 1 and 4 times 0 in binary, that is 16 in binary. So how to know that the binary of 5, 6, 10 will be this? For that we will see binary decimal conversion. So first, suppose one number is written in binary number system like this, then how to know that in decimal number system what will be the value of this binary number system? So for that, as I told you, what you have to do, you have to write index of this what so in earlier slide I told you write 0 index, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. ठीक है. So first this digit, that is 1, it has index what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is standing at index 5. So what will be written here? 1, that is this digit 1 into which number system it is? That is binary number system, because it is written in 0 and 1. So binary means base 2. Only all in binary number system total 2 digits are there. So this why that's why it is coming here 2, and 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So index of this 1 is 5. So 1 into 2 to the power 5. Similarly second digit 0, so 0 into 2 to the power 4. Here again 0, 0 into 2 to the power 3. Now this 1, so 0, 1, 2. This one middle one is having index 2. So 1 into 2 to the power 2, and again 0, so 0 into 1, 0 into 2 to the power 1, and at last 1 is there, so 1 into 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 0 means any number having power 0 becomes 1, that you know already. So 1. So now you can see here this is 32, and 0 into anything, that is 0, 0 into anything, that is 0, 1 into 2 to the power 4, that is 4 into 1, 4, 0 into anything, that is 0, and 1 into 2 to the power 0 means 1 into 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Now add this one, then you will get this number 37, that is our decimal number system value, that is 37. So in this way you can take any number in binary and you can convert it into decimal number system. You can try at home this technique. Okay. Next one I will tell you this technique only, how to convert decimal number into binary number. How to convert a decimal number into binary number? So it is very simple. So you can see here 22 is our number, and we have to find out binary of this 22. So what we are going to do, we have to find binary So binary means base 2, decimal means base 10. So we are going to change it into binary. So we will divide this number by 2 and we will write remainder at one place and quotient will go below the number. So 2 divided 22 divided by 2, it gives 11. 11 to the 22 and it leaves no remainder. So no remainder means remainder will be what? 0. Again 2 will be 11 will be divided by 2. So 2 5 are 10. So it will leave remainder 1. Again 2 and 5. 5 will be divided by 2. So 2 to the 4 and it leaves remainder 1. Again 2 and 2, quotient 1, it leaves remainder 0. Again 2 zeros आ गए, 2 it will go 0 times, so 0 times and it will leave remainder 1. Okay, so you can see here all remainders are written here. I have also written 0 1 1 0 1 and you have to write this number in from bottom to top. You can see here arrow, it is indicating you start from bottom and go up to top. So what will be the answer? 1. In bottom you can see 1, then 0, then 1, then 1, then 0. This is the final binary number, equivalent binary number of 22. In this way you can easily convert any number into binary number system. You take and try to convert any number in binary number system. So today I will stop here and you also try out to convert this binary number into decimal number and this decimal number 22 into binary number we have seen here. Okay, so try it yourself and we will see further in next class. Thank you very much.